Chilliz for the most part is a low-positioned coin with the ticker CHZ that in a real sense has a current worth of $0.082494 and a market capitalization of $624.073352, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Digital currencies generally have truly lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, or so they really thought. These days, it's a resource class that really is considerably managed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate in an unobtrusive way. Some genuinely huge speculation banks even in a real sense procure Chilliz and certainly other digital forms of money all at once to generally safeguard their resources under administration against a jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors in a very enormous manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to sort of uncover our short, mid, and sort of long-haul expectation of the improvements on the CHZ market that especially depend on the readings of our very remarkable crypto unpredictability record that basically assists us with checking the market opinion and really expect where in which the market means to go in a significant manner explicitly. At this point, the cost of Chilliz is $0.082494, while the coin as of now winds up at 63rd spot in the sort of by and large positioning, exhibiting that these days, it's a resource class that for the most part is significantly directed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate in a for the most part significant manner. The said commonly positioning is assessed based on the resource's exceptionally present value that basically is duplicated by its sort of current market capitalization, a recipe that sort of is applied all through every monetary market, which truly is genuinely critical. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients generally get the most pertinent information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in a significant way. It's likewise essential to in a real sense consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an especially significant manner. On November 11, the cost of Chilliz in every practical sense was at $0.081719 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change commonly added up to 1.93%, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on November 5, CHZ explicitly was esteemed at $0.072182, which basically intends that from that point forward, the cost for the most part is generally varied by 0%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. A month prior, on October 12, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.054441. In this way, the coin in every way that really matters has taken a 51.53% action to generally arrive at its especially present standings. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both digital currency and conventional business sectors in an especially enormous manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology really is utilized to decide the truly in general position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Changes in market capitalization truly sure or essentially negative are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resource's fundamentally potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both most certainly short and truly long-haul viewpoints, which most certainly is genuinely critical. This in every practical sense, specific for the most part metric truly is additionally used to measure the predominance of Chilliz, corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. To explicitly decide the very current market capitalization of CHZ, we increase the coursing supply, the boundary that will by and large be made sense of later by the kind of present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, or so they certainly thought. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz certainly remains at $624.073352, which frames the reason for present essentially positioning generally was referenced before, which truly shows that some huge speculation banks in any event, in every practical sense, procure Chilliz and really other digital currencies all at once to fundamentally safeguard their resources under administration, against a dashing expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors. Yesterday, on November 11, CHZ had a market capitalization of $618.27092 in an unobtrusive manner. Keep going week, on November 5, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to basically was recorded at $546.062430 when, amazingly, A month prior, on October 12, the market worth of Chilliz certainly was surveyed to really be $407,110,693, which is genuinely critical. Complete stock considers the quantity of coins that generally have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining in a for the most part significant manner. These digital currencies can be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, which in every way that really matters is very critical. This especially metric likewise calculates the coins that in a real sense have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which really is applied to control the expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, the kind of complete stockpile of Chilliz in every practical sense is laid out at 888 CHZ, so the examination of market capitalization explicitly conveys sort of equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Finally, the coursing supply sort of is utilized to truly work out the market capitalization and generally survey the coins extremely current remaining in the positions in a sort of significant way. It means the truly generally measure of CHZ that for the most part is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that generally are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly certainly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown in an unpretentious manner. It's by and large truly accepted that digital currencies that certainly have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million basically are the most reasonable for kind of long-haul venture, since they in every practical sense are generally fundamentally prone to for the most part value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Exhibiting how these days, it's a resource class that truly is considerably managed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate, which most certainly is very huge. At this crossroads, Chilliz explicitly has a flowing stockpile of 7,565,079,839 coins, so changes in market capitalization, especially sure by and large negative in a real sense, are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head. As well as the resource's kind of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both pretty short and truly long-haul points of view, or so they sort of thought. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with CHZ arrived at the mark of $82,470,966, showing the way that these digital currencies can truly be utilized either for pretty dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, which especially is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on November 11, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $91,528.27. 7 days prior, on November 5, how much CHZ that certainly was traded between market members by and large was assessed at $51,660,452 in an in every practical sense, enormous way. Presently truly comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the embodiment of the crypto unpredictability record, CVI.